What is up, guys? We're doing Mr. Wolf. What time is it? All right, so let's start out. Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
2 o'clock.
What, 2? Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
5 o'clock.
1, 2, 3.
They're not taking baby steps.
They're not. Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
5
5
o'clock.
times. What?
5 o'clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
They close?
Yes.
1 o'clock.
1.
1.
I know they're going backwards.
No, you knew it.
Yes, we were. Okay, let's actually do this game. Let's play our game.
You guys
Restart it.
Nope, we're keeping it. Get your dirty hands off of my camera.
You. I have to. Wait for me real quick. Let's just play it. And then we'll play it when she gets out. Ready? Yeah.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
5 o'clock.
You know, you can do 12 o'clock.
I know.
Anything above 5. Well, anything above 1, including 1.
Go back to your normal spot, Gwen.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
12 o'clock.
One of them.
Okay, that's fancy. You're not supposed to win. I can tell. Wait a minute, look at the wall. Let's see if we can see.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
3 o'clock.
What'd you say? 3?
Yeah.
3. I got you.
No, I didn't.
Yes, I did.
No.
Oh, I did 1, 2, 3. Did I not?
Yeah, you did.
What? You cannot change it. My turn. Get out.
Guys, wait. No. This is the rule.
When
Uh,
Drew says, Mr. Wolf, what time is it? You say whatever time. We set that much, okay?
That's what we
And then when you think we're close, you have to say, it's eating time. It's eating time, then you run back.
All right, Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
4.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
6. Are they close?
Yes. Try to say 12. Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
6.
Mr. You looked.
You can't look.
Maddie, look.
Okay, go. I looked because I was
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
3.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
Eating time.
Run as fast as you. Oh!
I didn't push you like that. You pushed me.
What are you going to do about it?
Genevieve, wait. Can you stop calling me Genevieve, please? I have to go upstairs. I have a little
No, it's not.
Stop.
Someone else.
I'm ready.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
Get that.
I'm going to tell
Get that. Okay.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it? Say 12, say 12, say 12.
30.
30!
It has to be 1, 2, 3, like, it has to be 1 to 12.
1 to 12.
Get that. Are you recording already?
Yes. We're at 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Guys, let me come over here.
We got a better camera roll.
Okay, guys.
Camera roll. Guys, it's a camera roll.
Ready? Let's go.
All right, Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
1.
Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
3.
Mr. Wolf,
How
what
close?
time is it?
How close are they?
Not very close.
2. Wait, did I say 1 last time?
No,
Okay. That's fine.
you said 3 last time.
It's fine.
All right, Mr. Wolf, how fat are you?
What time is it?
What time is it?
4.
I see those feet. Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
How about?
It's not funny. So funny, am I right? Mr. Wolf, what time is it?
6.
Don't say it.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How close are they?
Pretty close. Like, so close. You might want to say dinner time.
No. 1. That means get out here, you rascals. Dinner time.
All right, and that's where I end the video.